Hey, first of all, I wish you all a very pleasant and magnificent evening to my respected sir and all my dear friends present over here. I am here. It is a matter of great pride and honor for me to be here with you all. I am here to deliver a short speech on save tigers that are getting extinct. Before I start my speech, let me introduce myself. I am Khushi Patel. I study at class 8th at Ashoka Hall Higher Junior Secondary School. It is located near Kachnar city, Vijayanagar. Let's come to my family background. There are 5 members: my father, my mother, my little brother, and my grandmother, and me. My father is a advocate in High Court, and my mother is sweet homemaker. My hobby is reading books and traveling. So let's come to my speech topic: Save tiger that are getting extinct. As you all know, uh, uh, of our national animal of India is tiger, that are getting extinct day by day. Uh, we That tigers are getting extinct. We are only the reason of that, because people used to kill tigers for their skin, bones, to make carpets, belts, or etc. As you all know, tiger is helpful in maintaining ecosystem. We used to don't to kill them. As you all know, in 1973, on 1 April 1973, India government has made a tiger project, that is to don't kill tiger for a illegal. It will be illegal. Well, in the past, in the before, there was used to the king used to kill tigers. Now, to save tigers, that we have kept them in the wild sanctuaries and now in zoos. We celebrate Tigers Day every year on 29 April. That's it. Thank you.